Hi and welcome to pmplounge.com. Today we are going over the top 5 basics that you must know about the project management plan. Now we have already covered project charter in detail. We have also covered the basics that you must know about project charter. So do check that video out. I'll link to it in the description. In addition to that, we have also covered an overview of the project management plan. And today we are just taking a look at the 5 things that we think you must know about the project management plan. But I'd highly suggest that you go over and understand and watch the video of the overview of the project management plan so that it'll be easier to understand the stuff that we are discussing in this video. All right, let's get started. So diving right into it, the number one thing that you must, a basic that you must know about the project management plan is that the develop project management plan process has only one output, which is the project management plan. So there is a process by the name develop project management plan, which is one of the 47 processes that are included in the PMBOK 5. Let me give you a look at that as well. So this is the PGKA mapping, process groups and knowledge area mapping. And as you can see, in planning process group, you have develop project management plan under the project integration management knowledge area, basically. So that is a process, and the only output on this process is the project management plan. So that's one thing that you should know, a basic that you should know about the project management plan. Let's move on. So the project management plan is all about number one, planning for the possible problems that may occur during the course of the project. So it's a plan, right? What are you planning? You're planning for all the possible problems. And not just that, you are also making sure that you have all the information that you need to correct those problems if or when they occur. So, not just you're planning for the problems that may occur, you also are kind of gathering the information that is going to be helpful for you to correct those problems when or if they occur. So that is what project management plan is all about. Number three is that the project management plan can be a single document or a collection of documents known as subsidiary plans. So a project management plan could be a very exhaustive one document only, or could be a folder which contains all these subsidiary plans. Now, what are these subsidiary plans? So basically, each knowledge area has a subsidiary plan which talks about, again, back to the previous slide where we talked about what project management plan does. It basically is a a plan for the problems that may occur and all the information that you need to resolve those problems. So each knowledge area, every problem that may occur with respect to the respective knowledge area and the information that you need to sort out those problems, that is what each subsidiary plan will contain. So each knowledge area has a subsidiary plan. That subsidiary plan is part of the project management plan. So project management plan in itself is nothing. It is just a collection of all these subsidiary plans. All right, number four is that in addition to these subsidiary plans, we just talked about the subsidiary plans. Each knowledge area has a subsidiary plan, and that is part of the project management plan. But project management plan also contains baseline documents. Now, what are these baseline documents? So it is basically an agreed upon snapshot of that moment of each of scope, schedule, and cost that can be used for planning purposes. So the scope that is agreed upon by all these stakeholders, its snapshot of that is a baseline of scope. The schedule that is agreed upon by all these stakeholders, a snapshot of that schedule is a baseline schedule document, basically. A snapshot of the cost which is agreed upon by all the stakeholders, that is a cost baseline. So these baselines also are part of the project management plan. So we've got subsidiary plans and we've also got the baselines that make up the project management plan. And finally, the project management plan is a live document and is always up to date. So from personal experiences, I have seen projects wherein project management plans are updated every single day. So the project manager, before logging off and before going back home, makes sure the project management plan is updated from whatever the changes that has happened, whatever the progress that has happened during the course of the day. So project management plan is an absolutely live document and it is always up to date. And that is the reason why if you're taking over a project from a fellow PM, your colleague, you need to make sure that the project management plan is updated. So whatever handover that you take from your colleague, you need to make sure that the project management plan is up to date. If it is not, then your first thing to do as part of that handed over project is to make sure that the project management plan is up to date. So that is all that we had with this video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, do hit the like button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And check us out on our social media, facebook.com/PMP Lounge and twitter.com/PMP Lounge. As always, check out the website pmplounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP concepts and what's hot in the project management industry. Thank you.